everybody, I'm super excited about today's video. We are going to be making homemade pizza. So, let's get to it. We're gonna start by making the yeast. In a small bowl, mix together 1 1/4 cups of water, a teaspoon of sugar, and 1 package of rapid rise yeast. Now give it a nice mix and watch it grow. Now, in a stand-up mixer, mix together 3 1/2 cups of flour and 3/4 a teaspoon of salt. Now, mix in 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil and your yeast. Now it's time to knead your dough. Kneading is something that is often underdone, so set a timer for 10 minutes and knead for that long. When your dough is done, you should poke it and it should bounce back immediately. Now you're going to coat the bowl and the dough in extra virgin olive oil and let it rise for 24 hours. All right, after 24 hours, you're going to take it out of the oven and you're going to just kind of knead it in the bowl because it has been sitting for quite a long time, so we're kind of just gonna work with it for a little bit. So set a timer for about 3 minutes and you're just gonna knead for that amount of time. Feel free to keep adding flour to your dough. We really just wanna work it out and get it a nice texture for our pizza. Okay, now that our 3 minutes is up, we're just gonna start playing with our dough. We can bring all the sides in, flip it, poke some holes for another minute. And then you're going to shape it into a circle and you're going to set a towel on top of it and let it rise for 1 hour. Something that we want to recreate from a pizzeria is having your oven very, very hot. So a good tip is to put a pizza stone or a flipped over baking pan in the oven and heat it to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and take the towel off of our pizza dough and we're just gonna go ahead and knead it for a second. But look at how satisfying that is. That noise is all of the bubbles popping. Super satisfying. So that is gonna make an awesome pizza. So let's go ahead and knead it for about a minute and I'll see you in just a second. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead with a pizza cutter and we're just gonna split our dough in half the best that we can. And yeah, we're just gonna split it in half and then we're just gonna knead one of the halves for a little bit. And then we are going to try to spread it out into the size of a pizza. So because this recipe is making 2 pizzas, it's totally optional, but if you want to, you can definitely freeze one of the pizzas, make 2 pizzas. It's totally up to you. You can freeze both of them if you want. It's totally up to you and just what your personal preference is. Something that I really love about pizza is that it's totally customizable to your liking, meaning you can add whatever toppings you want on it. But on mine, I'm just gonna go ahead and add some vegetable oil on the top. Now I'm just gonna spread some awesome tomato sauce over the top, and then it's time for toppings. As my toppings, I'm gonna be using some cut up tomatoes, some mozzarella cheese, and some fresh basil. To put it in the oven for about 10 minutes. what you're thinking. This pizza's probably not even gonna be that good, and it's gonna take me over a day to make, but trust me, this pizza will not disappoint. It is amazing. You should definitely try it.